actually, though. After a year of market volatility and all the scandals that we've seen, some retail investors are a little bit nervous about jumping back into this market, and quite frankly, with good reason. One man, though, thinks he has the solution, an online platform that's going to let each investor create and customize their own multi-managed account. And here to tell us more about it is Covestor Investment Management CEO and co-founder Perry Blatcher, who joins us from London. And so, Perry, you were just quoted in the Financial Times just recently saying that a Madoff couldn't have happened under this system. How so?
Yeah, hi, Jenna. Thank you for having me on, and hi to morning to all of your viewers there. Essentially, what we offer people is an alternative to their sort of overpriced, underperforming mutual fund. What we do is we provide, we're an investment management firm that provides a service that allows you to follow and to automatically replicate the stock market moves of investors with great track records. So it essentially gives you access to a form of money management that was previously only available to people with millions and millions of dollars available to invest with an expensive a big wealth management firm.
Sure.
If you had a large amount of money, you'd go to a wealth management firm today. You could open an account with a minimum of $250,000 called a managed account, a separately managed account, and a professional portfolio manager will actively trade in that account on your behalf. And what we do at Covestor Investment Management is we make that available to all retail investors.
Okay,
so with just $10,000.
Let's stop there for a second.
Sorry,
so you need
yeah.
just $10,000, and then how much are the fees involved, and how does that compare to the fees I would pay with a mutual fund?
Yeah, we charge a simple management fee, which is between 0.5% and 1.5%, depending on the model that you choose to subscribe to. And unlike a mutual fund, we have no hidden fees, we have no load fees, no entry fees, no exit fees, no other fees, and we compensate the managers from those fees that we get paid.
We talked about some transparency that you can actually watch and look at your investment. One of the draws of mutual funds is that someone actually is managing your money for you, and you don't actually have to actively manage it. So does that deter some customers? How are you working through that if people just want a hands-off approach to their money but still make money at the same time?
Yeah, that's exactly what we do. So basically, with a Covestor managed account, you put your money in a brokerage account, and you're automatically following the moves of individual and professional investors and making with their own money. And so unlike a mutual fund where you've got a manager who gets paid whether the fund does well or badly, here you've got an individual who's making stock market decisions. He's doing it with his own money, so he's very motivated, and we're automatically making those moves for you in your own account. And
so do I get to link up with who I want as far as an investor, or do you match me up with a certain one?
Yeah, exactly. So we'll help you find, we give you all the information to find the investors that are appropriate for you. But essentially, we're putting you back in control to understand who's managing your money, where your money is, and what's happening with it. And that's the key, because that's what people are looking for these days. They're looking for greater transparency and more control.
So it's been quite an interesting year for the market as well as for your business. How is it going so far?
Yeah, really well. It's a really interesting time, as you say. I mean, people have lost a lot of money. They've had savings that, they wanted to work for them in older age, and they've seen a lot of that go. They've seen the markets come back, and a lot of them are nervous or unsure about when and how to get back in, and they've lost trust in their brokers. And that's why I say it's been a great time for us, because people who are looking to take control again and to understand who's managing their money and where are coming to us at Covestor Investment Management and opening accounts.
A quick final question here. Any trends that you're seeing as far as portfolio management that you can share with us?
Trends. Actually, there's it's the usual stuff. People are looking for opportunities in all sorts of places. So, I couldn't really say that there's a general trend. There definitely seems to be activity and movement of people coming back into the markets and an interest in investing again. And there do seem to be still some great opportunities out there.
All right. Perry Blatcher, again, he's the co-founder and CEO of Covestor. Perry, thank you very much. We wish you luck, and we'll check back in with you in a little bit. Appreciate it, Perry. Thank you.